Good evening, Micro Map here. Doing my little evening stroll. Got some spaghetti and meatballs ready with some garlic rolls. Maybe watch a movie tonight or something. Slow day at work. Oh, brutal. I don't know if this is a soft landing, but we'll see what happens. A lot of fun last night. Went to the Panthers game. They won with less than 1 second left in overtime. Amazing game. Really good one. Had a lot of fun. First game of the year. Went with the family. So it was a blast. The stock market today, not much happening. They put some trades on, and we'll go over the futures and some of the trades and some of the unusual options that I saw. What else? A lot of press on the EVs, news-wise. You guys know I'm selling a lot of EVs, so do the math. 1 + 1 equals, the press release, where I'm coming from. Anyone need a Chevy Bolt, Tesla, let me know. Got plenty of them in stock. Let's take a look at the futures. Let's see here. So these are the trades I did today, but we'll get back to that. Let's look at the futures. We had 10-year drop 4 bips. Now, I don't know, this market's so crazy. One day inflation's hot because CPI was bad yesterday, but then PPI was cooler today. So rates went down because I think the Fed has to cut. So it's bipolar. But they don't measure the most important things, which are food and energy. And energy has been climbing. Oil did hit 75 today, but it did roll back. We have a lot of controversy going on over in the Middle East with the Red Sea, and there's problems in Yemen. So with the Houthis or something like that, I think they're called the Houthis with the booty. I don't know, but the conflict is still there. So the dollar, I want to say the dollar was down. No, actually we were up. It's hanging around 102. So 102.43 on the dollar. S&P down 4. Gold, nice day for gold, up 34. Nice day, back well over 2050. With higher inflation and geopolitical risk, not a bad place to be. I think Bitcoin was down 3,000 to 43, under 43.5. So maybe sell the news after the ETF news got rolled out. Sell the news event over the weekend. Small caps down 6. NASDAQ down 11. Dow Jones down 172. Palladium and platinum hovering around the 900s. Silver, nice day today, up 65 cents to well over 23. VIX up 30 cents to almost mid-13s. And the grains just can't break that funk. 9 cents, corn and soybeans down, and wheat down 7. Those are the futures. There were a lot of bank earnings today. Citi mentioned 20,000 layoffs. Prayers for the families of those 20,000 folks that get laid off. That's just sad. That's a lot of layoffs. JP Morgan had good numbers, I think. And I think Bank of America came out as well. And we could take a look at that. On the trades here in this account, orders, I see a lot of biotech unusual activity. I think this is the year of biotech with mergers and acquisitions, with a lot of the drug companies' pipelines expiring and drying up. I think that will create mergers and acquisitions. So MREO, I bought a coin there, and I try and give myself a lot of time for these things to play out. TPST Did a call debit spread for it to go up, another biopharma name. Did a call calendar spread on ALLK, another biopharma name. I did a call debit spread in BRZE, which is kind of like a software AI kind of marketing company. Looked like it was doing good. I did a $10 spread, but I bought the call in the money, so I played it a little bit safer, and I paid $424 for that. Kura, another biotech. I did a call debit spread. Looks like it's cold and looks like it wants to explode higher. I sold my Avis rental car short and made about, I want to say 10-15%. NFGC, I want to say that was a minor. I think it was a minor. Don't hold my feet to the fire. But it looked like it wants to go higher. And CCK is a bottler. Looked kind of bearish in the chart. I took a shot there with a put. NFGC. Let me see here. NFGC. The daily. Yeah, minor. Oh, wait, no, let me see what it is. See if it gives me, oh, it doesn't give me an explanation. I thought it would say minor. Newfound gold. So yeah, I think they're a minor. Yeah. Engaged in acquisition, exploration, and evaluation of resource properties with focus on gold resources. So yeah, a minor. And that was my TD Ameritrade account. Those are the trades I put on in there. So 8 trades in there. Tasty. Let me see if this is today. Today I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13, 14 trades in here. DNN, another minor. Uranium. So uranium is going to be in play because one of the biggest uranium companies in the world said that they're having trouble with supplies because of it's hard to get sulfuric acid to mine the uranium. So spot prices hit 15-year highs on uranium, causing uranium ETS, which was one of my best performers today, URA, which I hold a leap in, a long time call option, to go up. Sony looks like it wants to go higher. They had a good event at CES, and I think they're coming out with a car. And I saw unusual volume there, and I think it wants to go higher. FRH saw some bullish, bearish spreads, and Hindenburg has a short report on them. So I took a shot. It's a little bit costly spread, but if it pays off, I should be able to make good amount of money, and I gave myself 63 days. Deutsche Bank looks like it wants to go higher. CRNT, a network company, seems like it wants to go higher. Oscar Healthcare, that one looks very, very, very bullish and beautiful on the chart. Check out Oscar Healthcare. Now remember, folks, invest at your own risk. Invest on what you're able to lose. But the chart looks nice on that one. And I've been seeing it pop up on unusual call activity on Oscar Health. It keeps popping up. Capri, saw some unusual action in there, but I don't know which way it wants to go. So I kind of like bought a strangle in there because the options seem pretty cheap. And I think we can get a good move there. Base did a call calendar. Base looked pretty interesting. It's a software company and looked pretty good on the chart. CCO, Clear Channel, looked like bullish call activity. UROY, a uranium exploration or royalty in uranium, looked very bullish. Boeing, I closed out for 8 cents for almost a full profit. And Nvidia, I closed out part of the broken wing butterfly and I rolled out the losing part as a revert to the mean kind of trade. Nvidia seems overextended. We'll see what happens. It's like the darling of Wall Street right now. Everybody loves it. And sometimes you gotta be a bit, I like the company, but sometimes you gotta be a contrarian. And that's what I'm doing on that one. But it didn't work this week. And that's pretty much it. That's what I saw today. It is very, very, very tough out there to make money in the market and to make money in general. I'm hearing a lot of people in the transportation business and even the dealership saying it's kind of tough. 80 feels like 85 and the humidity is just cranking here. Don't know what's going on with the humidity. We're at 74, 71 humidity. Pretty gross. And my allergies have been acting up pretty bad too. So that's what I saw in the market today. Well, Monday the markets are closed. Martin Luther King, banks closed. I think everything's pretty much closed. But it's been a hard start to the year to make some money in the market. And even in work, it's really tough. Really, really tough. We'll see. 24, I think, is going to be one for the ages. So I think it's going to be a tough year. I hope not. Hope I'm wrong. But anyway, stay safe. That's what I saw in the marketplace today. I wish I had better trends. I still, overall, the big picture, longer term view, still think we have structural issues in the country. The last employment report supposedly is good, but the last 10 or 11 reports have been revised downward. Millions of people are working multiple jobs just to keep up with inflation. Credit card debt is exploding. Look at the last credit card report. It's horrendous. Debts are surging. Deficits are surging. Employment is not strong. And we have an election year and we have wars. So, I mean, it's just a lot of bad things out there. So be careful, folks. Try and stay out of debt. Stay engaged with the markets. Play it small, but play it often. Long-term trends I still see dollar rolling over. And I see precious metals doing well. Agricultural doing well. I think interest rates have to go higher. They're going to go higher. And that's, the Fed gives in, and then their only way out is just to hyperinflate and destroy the currency, which I think that's the only option they have. It's the easy way out. It's not the painful way. No one wants the painful way. Everybody wants the easy way. The easy way is to inflate. Other trends I've seen a lot of trends in the bio space because of the pipelines expiring and drug companies. I see good there. Still like energy, even though energy hasn't been acting well. We did hit 75 a barrel today, but it rolled over. But supplies are tight, so we'll see with that. The used car market and new car market. I don't think Americans are adapting to EVs. Hertz is pulling away from their EV. Well, at least not as they want to get out, not as in deep and get more into gas cars. And I think manufacturers are going that route too. And Tesla was soft today, and it's been soft. And I think it's below their moving averages. I haven't seen Tesla at these levels in a while. So, and these used prices on these Teslas are coming down, making maybe more a bargain than buying a new one. So that's my take. Chime in, put some comments. Dialogue is good, or any thing that you want to talk about or whatever. Anyways, have a good night, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.